Hey guys, I'm Ryan, and on this episode of Baking with Ryan, I'm making a numbers cake. This cake is totally customizable. You can use whatever number you like, and you can decorate it however you want. Today, I'm doing a 17 for my cousin's 17th birthday, and I'm decorating the cake with meringue cookies and sprinkles. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The ingredients you'll need to make the cake are 1 half sheet cake and 1 quarter sheet cake. You'll also need meringue cookies, number templates or letter templates, vanilla buttercream, and sprinkles. The recipes for my cake, frosting, and meringues are in the description below. Start off by removing the cakes from the pan. Use a butter knife to loosen the edges of the cake. Flip out the cake onto a cutting board and then flip it over one more time. Next, level the cake using a cake leveler. Now it's time to use the stencil. Just place it on top and use a paring knife to cut around it. The quarter sheet pan will only fit one number. Next, repeat the process with the half sheet cake. For this one, I made one more 7 and 2 ones. Then it's time to maneuver the cakes onto the final platter that you're serving the cake on. It's time to start piping. Using a piping bag fitted with a Wilton 1A piping tip, pipe little dollops of buttercream covering all of the cake. Next, place on the top layer of cake. A really easy way to do this is to cut each number in half. Then you can place it on perfectly. Just like you did on the first cake layer, pipe dollops of frosting on top of the second. It's time to decorate. I'm using meringues and sprinkles, but you can use whatever decorations you want. The recipe for the meringues are in the description below. The last thing I did to decorate the cake is sprinkle on some sprinkles. And the cake is complete. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.